Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Facebook Protect. Okay, what is Facebook Protect? It's very simple. Facebook want to help you protect your account from getting hacked. That is the meaning of Facebook Protect. But remember, this feature is not available for everyone. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it on PC and mobile. Okay, let's start. How to turn on Facebook Protect from a mobile phone. Okay, this is my Facebook as you can see. So on the top right corner, okay, you press here, okay, and you come to setting, okay. From here, you click password and security. You're gonna have to log in. So when you log in, you press on Facebook Protect. As you can see right now, they say Facebook Protect is off. So you press here to turn it on. So this is how you do to turn on Facebook Protect on a mobile phone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on a PC. Let's start. So to turn on Facebook Protect, click on this arrow as you can see it here. Click here. Okay, come to setting a privacy. Okay, and then come to setting. Click on the left side security and login. From here, as you can see, Facebook Protect is off. Okay, you click get start. Okay, you click next. They say you must turn on Facebook Protect by April 9, 2022. You click next. And then you click next. So they found one vulnerability. So I need to turn on the two-factor authentication. Okay. So I'm gonna click fix now. Turn on two-factor authentication. So I'm gonna say turn on. So they're gonna ask you if you wanna authentify using a mobile app, okay, or if you want them to send you an SMS on your phone number, or if you want them to send you a security key. Is up to you. You have to choose between those three. Okay, so in my case I'm gonna use text message. Okay, continue. I'm gonna enter my cell phone number. Click continue. So they're gonna send me a code, a confirmation code. Là. I'm gonna enter my code. Click continue. And then you click done. Okay. Okay. Do you want this number user to help you make connection to see what? I'm gonna say not now. Facebook Protect. As you can see here, thank you for enabling Facebook Protect. Okay. So you click done. So as you can see here now, Facebook Protect is on. Okay, as you can see here. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you guys soon. Ciao.